Alright guys, this is the final tour of my San Francisco apartment before I sell it. And this is my apartment and the renovation is all complete. This is August 2018 and it's pretty much all complete, and the open house and everything is going on right now. So you can see the bed has been redone. It's the same bed, but they put a new cover sheet, new pillows and everything in the bed rest. So it looks like or headrest, it looks like a completely different bed because of that. It's really nice. And then they put these plaques on top. It says happily ever after. I don't think I would ever put that, but it makes me look like a married person, or just married person, you know, so I wouldn't put that, but I guess it's there for decoration. And have two drawers, one drawer here, lamp with some nice books and stuff for decor. And then over here you have a clock as well as my Sony alarm clock. Another cabinet right there, and another lamp. And the closet has been, the handles have been redone, so those are new handles, and they added a mirror to them as well, so they make it more reflective. So they added mirrors to both the bedroom and the living room, so they added to the bedroom right there. And then this is the same. I don't think I changed anything about the bedroom windows, but opening up the blinds definitely helps. You can see the view of San Francisco from the bedroom, which is really nice, right across from the football stadium. And potted plant right there. That's another painting, and the dresser, the flower vase on it. This is the hallway, and then the bathroom's been redone pretty much. Shower doors weren't working before, but the shower door's been redone. That's a new toilet that they added, and the walls have been repainted, and they used to be there used to be all torn up in the corner in there, right there, but they repainted it. And the sink and the counter has been redone. This is a new sink, granite countertop. This is the same mirror from before. You put a little vase here, vase over there. It's nice, looks good. Again, let the adventure begin. It's not something I would ever put on my own bathroom, but I guess it's nice for decor for open houses and stuff. Just for the staging, it's pretty good. And more of those small mirrors here. The handles have been changed. Handles have been changed on the closets. That's about it. Peace sign right there. Another mirror. You'll notice a lot more mirrors in the living room. So this is one mirror, a circular mirror right here. And then you turn around and there is a full floor to ceiling mirror right here. This way you can see your own reflection and the reflection of the ocean, which is really nice. And then here you can see the remodeled kitchen. This oven is the one I had before, but it's different than the oven I had originally. My parents actually helped me install that one a few years ago. And the range hood is new, all the cupboards, that's all new. Quartz countertop, that's all new. So the cabinets are new. Dishwasher, that's a new one. And this is a motion activated kitchen sink. So, yeah, see, there. Motion activated. Some decor there. You have a Samsung fridge. It's a 4-door fridge, which is pretty nice. It's new as well. And a dining table, which I usually never have, but it's here just for decor. Since I usually live by myself, I don't really need a dining table, but it's there. Again, let your light shine. It's not something I would ever put, but it's there for decor. This is something I put just for a little bit of decoration here. Something nice for the kitchen, I guess. It blends in. This is a Sony Google Assistant speaker right there. Looks nice in the kitchen. And over here, this is my living room in hardwood floors. Of course, the floors all been redone. Those are my IKEA lamps. That's the same. But the chairs, that stuff is new. The new fluffy cushions and stuff, that's new. Coffee table's new. That's all staging equipment. This mat is new. And yeah, there's a view of, I used to have Lake Tahoe painting right here, but now it's a Brooklyn Bridge painting. which is a little bit interesting, but it's there. Smaller sofa than before. I used to have a really big sofa here, but the smaller sofa means that we can add more stuff to this area because the sofa was taking up a lot of space there before. Again, another lamp that they added, more modern looking lamp and end table. And all the rest of my stuff is there, the Synology and stuff. They have a flower, some candles and stuff for decor. It's the same Panasonic TV I had before. I never changed that out. So that's the same. Oh, yep, same Panasonic TV I had before. And this table's new. It's not really a TV stand. I'm not really sure what to call it. It's just a stand, I guess. A table, end table, whatever. This is decor. This is a floating LG speaker, which I added for decor purposes. And a flower vase right there. You can see this one floats when I activate it. It's just something a little bit nice and extra I put there to maybe wow the people a little bit when they come in. They can see a floating speaker. Yep. And this is something that they added for the balcony. It's just a little nice table here with a wine bottle and a vase and 2 chairs, and that's about it. And same, you can see the view of Alcatraz from here. It's pretty nice. You can see Fisherman's Wharf and Alcatraz, and on clear days, not so foggy like today, you can see Angel Island and Sausalito as well. And yeah, there's that. Pretty nice. And that's about it. That's really the extent of which the renovation happened. Cost me about 30 grand-ish, give or take, in total. So yeah, $30,000. And I think it's worth it. Definitely looks much, much better than before. So yeah, it's the remodeled kitchen. Yep. And that's about it. The bathroom. And yeah, the bedroom. Pretty nice. All right, that's about it. A new remodeled San Francisco apartment, which I will sell soon.